Hi girls, we are going to see the remaining topics in JavaScript. I already explained the concept of operators in JavaScript. There are few other operators we're going to explain today. So that one of the operator is a special operator. It is also called the conditional operator. The symbol of the conditional operator is a question mark with a colon. This operator is also already used in C, C++, and Java. The conditional operator is a special JavaScript operator that takes three operands. It is also called ternary operator. A conditional operator assigns a value to a variable based on the condition. This is like if statements also. So this is the syntax for the conditional operator. Variable name is equal to condition, and then the question mark ternary operator, value 1, colon, value 2. So if the condition is true, the value 1 is assigned to the variable name. If the condition is false, it assigns a value v2 to the variable. Here an example for this conditional operator. Status is equal to age greater than or equal to 18. If the value of age is greater than or 18, for example, if you give a value 20 to the variable age, 20 greater than or equal to 80. Yes, it's greater than. Not equal, but it's greater than age 18. So the value adult will be stored in the variable status. Suppose the value of the variable age is 11 or 10 or 9, like that. Then at the time the way condition is false, the value minor is stored in the variable status. Okay, so it is the concept of the conditional operator. And then the operator, and then the keyword new. This is also used in Java for allocating memory for an object. Like that, here also used new operator is used to create an instant and allocate memory to a user-defined or predefined object types. This is a syntax of the operator new. Object name is equal to new object type, and then the parameters up to n number of parameters from 1. Here this is the example. D is equal to new date of, date assigns to an object D, and then R is equal to new rectangle of 4, 5, 7, 8. So this is the use of the new operator is used to create an instant and allocate memory to the user defined objects. And then delete. The delete operator is a reverse to the new operator. It releases the memory space that was allocated using the new operator by deleting an object. An object's property or element from any array. So this is the syntax of the delete operator. Delete object name, or delete object name dot property, or delete array name of index. So delete operator can be used to delete variables declared implicitly but not those declared within the var statement. The delete operator returns true if the operation is possible. It returns false if the operation is not possible. Here this is the example for the new and delete operator. Here a is a variable and the value 12 is assigned, and then another variable j, the value 63 is assigned, and then the object is created, my object equal to new number of, and then my object dot h equal to 55. Here create a property h, delete x. This operator returns true because x is declared implicitly without using the variable. But here y return false because the variable y is declared using explicitly the variable var, so it returns a false statement. So as stated before, here the delete operator returns true if the operation is possible. It returns false if the operation is not possible. And then here this is the statement. Delete operator can be used to delete variables declared implicitly but not those declared with the var statement. Here the j is declared with the var statement, so it returns the false. It does not delete. And then here this is the example for another delete operation, delete math.py. It is also returns the value false because cannot delete predefined properties. And then here delete myObject.h, it returns true because can delete user defined properties. When we delete an array element, the array length will not be affected. For example, if we delete a of 3, that means the third index, then the fourth index still remains and the third will be undefined. When the delete operator removes an array element, the element is no longer in the array. And then the another operator is the this operator. This is also used in Java. JavaScript supports this operator. The this operator refers to the current object. It likes a pointer to a current object. The syntax is this dot property name. So this is the example for the this operator. Use of this operator to validate the age. Input is provided through the input box. Within the HTML, the script coding is included. Script language equal to JavaScript and type equal to text.javascript. And here the function is used. Function validate object comma minimum age and maximum age. Within the function, the coding is if object dot value less than min age or object dot value greater than age. Alert is the message box. It gives the alert messages. Okay. In the input within the body tag, the input box was given here. Input type equal to text, name equal to age, and size equal to 2. Now here this gives an action on change action. It's equal to validate this comma 18 comma 40. So validate is the function. When this on change event is occur, it go back to the function, and the function is called. 3 parameters are passed here. Here also the 3 parameters. This is the object. Minimum age is 18 and maximum age is 40. So here object at value less than min age, and then object greater than max age. So here this is the enter the age between 80 and 40. This is the output screen. Now in the output screen in the browser, the text was displayed and the text box also displayed. Enter the age between 80 and 40, but the input given here is 45. So this is the invalid name. In the alert box, it display the invalid age for the job. Okay, so this is the example for the this operator. And then operator precedence. This is also the operator precedence or the following table shows the operators from highest priority to lowest priority. These are also you people studied in C, C++ and other programming languages, the operator precedence. Here the same as this also. Here the multiplication, division and modulus has the highest priority. And then after that, the 3 operators, addition and subtraction has the next priority, and then less than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So this is the highest priority to the lowest priority. Here the lowest priority is the comma operator, and then the second lowest operators are the equal to assignment operator and the shorthand assignment operators. So the next topic is the JavaScript pop-up boxes. Pop-up boxes are called the dialog boxes. This is also very important in JavaScript. In JavaScript, 3 kinds of pop-up boxes are there. First one is the alert box, second one is the confirm box, and the third one is the prompt box. Can be created using 3 methods of window object. The first one is the alert box. The alert of method of window object creates a small dialog box with a short text message and OK command button called alert box. Alert box contains an icon indicating a warning. For example, if you give the wrong answers, it will show the alert box. So this is not right. This is, you have to mention the, if for example, if you want to give a name in the text box, instead of that you people give a number in the text box, the alert box will appear and show the message that don't write alphabets here. Don't write numbers here, only alphabets are entered here. So like that, the alert boxes will used in JavaScript. So this is the syntax of the alert box. Window.alert text to be displayed, that is given within the double quotes, will be displayed in the alert box. So here this is the example. This is the alert box example. Alert, I am to alert you. So this is the message here. This is the warning symbol, exclamatory, and the OK message. So alert box contains an icon indicating a warning. So this is, you can see in this picture also. An alert box is used if you want to display some information to the user. So if you want to give any information to the user, the alert box is used. When an alert box appears, the user need to click OK button to proceed. If it does not, if you people give a wrong messages or any mistakes are given, at that time the alert box will used in the programs, JavaScript programs. And then the second one is the confirm box. The confirm box is like that it will ask you some questions. Do you want to quit the process? Do you want to leave the website? Do you want to close? So it may be the okay or cancel. Two options are there. Okay, that is called the confirm box. Confirm box is used if you want the user to verify and confirm the information. For example, if you apply any informations for example, if you apply a government job, if the applications are filled and finally it can ask you that whether the name and application numbers are correct, check it once again. Shall I proceed the next stage? So like at that time you use the confirm box. If you give okay, it proceed the second process. Like that, the confirm box is used. The confirm box is used if you want the user to verify and confirm the information. The user will have to click either OK or cancel button. Okay. So this is the syntax of the confirm box. Window.confirm of text to be confirmed with displayed within the double quotes will be displayed here within the question mark. So the alert box is the warning message. Confirm box is the questionary type of messages. Do you want to quit? Do you want to save? Do you want to leave? Like that. Okay. So confirm, do you want to quit now? If you give okay, it will quit. Otherwise, it does not quit the page. Like that, the confirm box will works. So confirm box returns a boolean value. If the user clicks on OK, it returns true. If the user clicks on the cancel, it returns false. So the third box is the prompt box. The prompt box is you have to give input. This is an interactive manner. If the user have to give some inputs to that box, that is text box is placed in that prompt box, the user have to enter some inputs. So prompt box allows getting input from the user. We can specify the default text for the text field. The information submitted by the user from the prompt can be stored in a variable. So this is the most important thing you have to remind. The information submitted by the user from the prompt can be stored in a variable. This is the example. This is the syntax of the prompt message. Keyword is the prompt. Within the double quotes, the message is displayed, and then a default value have to be default value in the text field also mentioned here. This is the variable example for the prompt box. Variable names equal to prompt. What is your name? Your name, please. So what is your name? The default text is your name, please. So you have to enter the name within the text box. The prompt box returns input string value when the user clicks OK. If the user clicks cancel, it will return null value. Suppose if you give the name, it will give if the user give the names and click OK, the string is returned to the variable. Otherwise, null value. If the user click the cancel, the null value is returned to the variable. And then the block statements. The block statements are there are two or more block statements combined to form a single block statement using set of curly braces. Within the curly braces, a set of statements are executed. Here, this is the syntax of the block statement. A curly braces start, and then the statements are here. So this is like the if statement or for looping statements in the programming languages. So branching and looping statements. JavaScript allows you to select among alternative ways or repeat to the execution of the statement or block of statements. JavaScript supports some conditional statements for branching. A conditional statement is a statement that we can use to execute a part of code based on the condition or do something else if the condition is not met. The looping is a repeated execution of a set of statements for a number of times. Okay. So I will explain this concept in my next video, and I will give you the practical examples of the dialog boxes and prompt message and alert message also. Thank you, girls.